In addition to mask wearing, hand washing, and social distancing, contact tracing is another way to stop the spread of COVID-19. It is the process of identifying individuals who have been potentially exposed to a positive case of the virus, allowing us to take those individuals who have been exposed to the virus out of the campus community through quarantine, so that if they do develop the virus stops with them and doesn't spread to the rest of the campus.
So when we are either made aware of or we test a positive case here on campus, we do reach out to that student and we find out from them who they've been in contact with within the last 48 hours when they became symptomatic. We'd go through a line of questioning, finding out where they've been on campus, who they might have been in communication with, were they wearing masks the whole time. When we reach out to the contacts, we do make them aware that they were in contact with someone who tested positive for coronavirus. And then at that point, we let them know about their options. We are either asking them to quarantine at home, or we have hotel rooms where they can also stay to do their quarantine. At this time, we are not allowing any students to do the quarantine on campus.
We take care of them through the entire process.
So when we do have a student in quarantine, we know that that can be very disruptive to them. So what we do is when we put them in quarantine, whether they're at home or at the hotel, we make sure someone from our COVID response team reaches out to them regularly. We ask, how are you doing? Are you having any symptoms? How are things going with your classes? How is this virtual stuff working? We want to make sure that their education is not interrupted and that they're also having contact with someone.
I think there's a lot of confusion over quarantine versus isolation, and I think we need to remember that when a student or a staff or a faculty member is quarantined, it doesn't mean that they're going to test positive for the virus. It means that we're taking precautions to keep everyone safe.